Creating and testing security policies shouldn't take hours of manual coding. In this demo, we use Nirmata AI platform assistant to create production-ready Kyverno policy and a comprehensive test suite in just one go. We start by launching the assistant directly from the command line. It's ready to scan clusters, recommend, and generate policies. Instead of manually writing YAML, we simply describe our security requirement. We want to restrict images to our trusted Nirmata registry, and we want the AI to create the policy along with test cases. The AI understands the context. It chooses Kyverno as the engine and uses CEL for high-performance validation. Note how it automatically includes init containers and ephemeral containers in the logic, edge cases that are often missed in manual configuration. The terminal shows 3 files being created: the policy, the test config, 14 different test pods. In just seconds, the AI has delivered a full policy as a code suite. We get 14 pre-configured test cases out of the box, covering both positive and negative tests. That's hours of manual YAML writing and debugging, which got eliminated in one simple command. Taking a look at the code, we see clean, structured YAML. The policy is set to deploy with clear error messages for developers. Governance is now automated, tested, and ready for production.